My name is Lalmuansangi, 25 years young, coming from the most peaceful state of the country, Mizoram. The two things I love about Mizoram are the hostility of the people and its peaceful environment, and I love singing, painting, and reading. Currently, I'm a teacher trainee and I hope to become a good teacher in the future. And I strongly believe that giving the right education to children from childhood is crucial for their upbringing and for humanity. Our country needs kindness and gentleness more than cleverness. And we need humanity, which is the biggest lesson I've learned in life. And my passion is to make people believe in humanity through my actions and words. And I hope to achieve that passion through Miss India. Thank you. Hello.
There's no country it isn't hard to do. Imagine there's no people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one.
Champai zo tlanga class 10 thleng ka kala chuan GM Higher Secondary School a class 12 ka pasa, Government Champai College a BA ka pasa, chuan MZE wani kumkhanin English Department atangin MA ka pasa. Tuna hianin MZE wa thau BA second semester zirlai kani he. Mi tang khanin Miss Mizoram te beauty pageant shimshimatel hi ain millo ain hmelo tina ngai dan hi omani chuan kapu kha kan ron ani kapu po hi kan veng ko shan upamin ania apa po ko shan upania mi te zona tun thlenga ka don hnem ber po ipui en tin nge ti che ti hi nia atu le fa te kanin cheina thleng khan mistrik deu hi nia mase kapu chuanin e chu tianga ka ke tu te lu te tiltla ka an lo thlang che ni chuan avaro pui ve toy moina sang takani chu I thei to bi chwa donia khamin lo ti zo ka chu chuang Keimah khanin challenge tam tak khamin siam sakani keim zirlai kani a tin koshan upafanu kani boka Keimah ang thawa zirlai mithiam tam tak na tak tak le fel tak tak te po ina Miss Mizoram te an lo tel ve theinan hei ni la thiang thim tak Miss Mizoram a hian za om takin chalai zong zong te nulanal tak tak te le khathiam tak tak te tan po atel the ni ti lantir turin Miss Mizoram ai hang kalotel
Media te hian enge kan lut ber tura ingai le engwangin nge achan min shil thengem
Kalome, Media te hian in kan lut ber tur ni ka sha chu kan thiang him na hi ani. Media te min ti za tu chu kan thiang him na hi ani a. Chu min ti media tu ani boka chu wang chuanin kan lut le tur ani a. Khovel mit mu a le Mizoram pum hua pa po kan thiang him na von thiang him tlat hi kan inzir ti ra chulin ka shebo kani Kalome.
Lalmuansangi Miss Mizoram